swiftly with a message for the ghetto youth.
You see you them. Bro, you see when I make money, dog, when you try to come out of the ghetto. That's all I can tell you, bro. Come out of the ghetto, brother. Come out of the ghetto, brother. You don't have to make a bag of money, dog. Just even try to find somewhere to rent a port more or something, dog. When you come out of the ghetto, dog. And everything God can help you with, you know, bro. But God put you in a certain position for help yourself, bro. Sometimes I will come out of the ghetto, bro. And I tell you, dog, when you come out of the ghetto, dog. I see this joke thing, bro. Sometimes I run some joke on the internet. Stop run certain joke on the internet, dog. And we make on the content name and we make on a funny joke and laugh. Stop make certain joke, bro. Because bro, me just see the whole of the screen record of the dog. He was say, but him not live for 20, 30 and them something there. I know, bro. It's sad, bro. It's sad to see the man dead for them life. Youth, we not make no money that when you try to left the ghetto, bro. And no matter how much good you do, all if you not do badness, bro, or if you not do no badness, people out there got jealous and bad mind on you, bro. People out there got jealous and bad mind on you, bro. You see me? So all if you not kill nobody, bro, no matter where you do, you can go and, you can stay far from trouble still follow you, bro. You see me? No matter where you do, bro, you can stay far from trouble, you cannot deal with people and trouble will still follow you. Once you not make no money, dog, you don't have to be $1 million, you have to be hundreds. Once you not make money, dog, you try aim to come out of the ghetto. Try aim to come out of the ghetto, bro, because, dog, I tell you, a cool world, bro. Cool world we live in, bro. And the street no love nobody, bro. You dead left him daughter. That dead pan him life. I don't know what cause it, but it does mess up to see me if he dead pan the life. For sure, so the man not like business. I don't care when them come for you, bro. But not business when I hear time. For dead. But not care, bro. For this, the man them want you. So I can tell the youth when I get up, bro. Once I make money, bro, try take on no mother out of the ghetto and try come out of the ghetto, bro. Try come out there, bro. Cause people watch everything on I do. Everything on I do, bro. See when you start get popular up on the internet. Once you get popular up on the internet, people feel like you sit down for millions. Once people just see a face screen record. Once two girls see a screen record. Once family members see a screen record and realize, oh, your name start call up now. People feel like say, yeah, but millions. Once you dip on screen record, and once your name start go around and realize, say, yo, John, what? You dip on pink wall, you dip on disappear, you turn on your live, them see you have 1,000 people, you know them say, you sit down for millions, bro. Family start hate against you, friends start hate against you, enemies start farm against you. So youth, once you not make all the money, dog, when you come out of the ghetto, bro. Audience here, but we build over right, so we have to bring it back to YouTube. We can't just make it dead. Cause 600K followers. I will have followers that, you know, anytime I travel through airport, you know, and the people, some people say me ask me some question. Me not really talk enough, you know. I just say I'm an influencer. This is my, oh shit! That's your TikTok? Damn, what do you do? I say I'm an artist, you know. I sing song and just pray that me them not tell me to sing. So me go to the airport and them ask me say, what you do? I tell them I am an artist. Guys, listen, you see Twitch, I really want to do Twitch, I really want to do it. But you not give me the... It's like when we are ranked, guys, you not just live up and say, you see once me sister young people, I'm going to just believe in me, bro. Guys, me tell you, bro, you see Twitch, there's a lot of things we can gain from Twitch, guys. Guys, if we get, right now, guys, we get a sponsor from Twitch. Right now, we get a sponsor from Twitch, just to wear. Just to sponsor that here we can. Just to say, me a sponsor this and put this every time we go live it in the background. You know how much money we can just get for that, bro? Guys, someone love me enough where anywhere I go, I go. And that's where you understand, say, bro. people like to use this word fall off. Most people don't understand what is fall off. Fall off is when nothing really, no, you're just dead, nothing not going for you. Me have a community. If I jump north, them I jump north. Half hour I jump north. If I jump left, half hour I jump left. Not all I only know, but I turn and kick right now. Me know me I go over there go see 300 people and 400 people for me kick. Count how much man can turn on one next platform and see 300 people. And that's how me know. Me have people love me, bro. When me I do kick only a night, why me not do kick, guys? It's basically me gonna do the same thing when me do on TikTok, bro. Me go over there, we go talk, we go reason, we go laugh. Me usually have too much money in my house. That's not me. So that's why I'm kind of cool off a kick. 100 man in my house, me a jump up and down, we a smoke. Me leave a smoke, bro. I mean I have a beer man once we see them, we a smoke, we a laugh, we a giggle. It was a nice vibes and things, but anytime too much people, bro, things always happen, bro. Anytime I get too happy, things always happen. So me cut off of the too much man thing. Then me usually start doing something where them a pop a balloon. We really like usually do I do the review. Okay, I get up every day, guys. I do review over and over. You can't get up every night and say, alright, guys, I do kick on the review. Alright. To you tell me say, the youth of me tell me say when I'm raw. And the youth of Pari Kai Senat when him Till and Punga. Me and Punga reason, me and Punga number. For we there Jamaica, me and the dog the reason. And the dog say, Swiss you have a platform. And Lala tell me say, bro, Swiss people love you. Take your people and bring them to our next platform. But me I explain to them the same thing when I explain to them, say, bro. Jamaican people, bro, if it's not polo, them are here, bro, they're not wearing it. If it's not Timberland I wear this summer, they're not wearing it. That's all Jamaican audience are, and that's just facts. No, me not say no bad, sis. Me not say no bad. Me I watch my words, sis. Me I watch it cleanly. Cause you me no big artist and me I watch it cleanly, sis. Me not say no bad. I just saw Jamaican people say, so the only way right now, they say if TikTok really gone and everybody start hear about Twitch. Everybody go over Twitch with me, Divi say, yo guys, come over Twitch chat. Forward over chat, forward over. We not go over there automatically cause that's when the era swing. Alright, you know so when Kai got Jamaica what they you know so what the people don't know who's Kai? When me and Kai at Jamaica, like people just, alright, people just say, yo, who is him? And them say, yo, look up it, them say, yo, him bigger one, big streamer. For sure, yeah, bro. Jamaican people, you know, watch kick. Most people, somehow watch it, but not everybody, bro. Anybody can tell you, a Russian can tell you, bro. People just like, oh, them just see people around Bakai, and them just know, alright, 2 and 3 people don't say, okay. But different right now, if one Jamaican TikToker walk go, in the street right now at Jamaica, everybody that run back at him because Jamaican people know kick. You see what I say? If now a TikToker come up here and everybody ever know you, they go someplace. That's why I never call myself famous yet. Cause half of the world still don't know me. Me want travel the world like how me say speed travel the world, brother. Them thing that me want to do. Travel the world, go Spain. That's why sometimes I see Al Perry and them and Tatania, bro. I say that them for do it, bro. Travel the world, dog. Learn place, enjoy yourself and travel the world. Them something they nice. Make content and them something they say. Any day me started them something like Jesus Christ. Bro, I just feel like I want a team. I want somebody who can video good. I want somebody who can video good. A good camera guy. Somebody will believe in us before. Just believe in us. I want a team. I want somebody who can video. I want somebody who can edit good. I want those 2 persons and the chair will just believe. 1 camera, 1 editor, and the chair will just believe. I will just move from right as right now and get a 3-bedroom apartment or a 3-bedroom house. I will just know, so bro, don't put, cause you see anytime we do a platform, guys, anytime I tell you, anytime we do a platform, take the money out tight. Don't put the money upon the mind. Don't say you're not going to kick or Twitch because of the money. So once you think about money, we never fail. Do it like money not over there. Just think about like no money not over there, bro. And just do it and just pray to God the platform get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Once you put money in it, Like when those I say, yo, I have to do this guys and a money we are gonna do it for. It have a cut. Alright, Snapchat have enough money too. When you still talk about money, guys, I know money me a talk about, you know. Me a talk about forget bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. I know money me a talk about. The money I go come once I put in the work. Me a talk about get bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger, bro. Bigger and bigger, bro. Me want to see all me have all 2 million followers, 3 million followers, 4 million followers. It's like how me tell Anthony Miller say, yo, me want to start fly and travel the world. Like them thing them me want to do, bro, for real. In a real life, bro. I hosting, me get whole heap of, me travel whole heap of state them, you know, bro. Hosting. One thing me can do, like, one time me da post beer content. One thing me can post no content, bro. When me Winford, me always say Anthony. Winford, Anthony Williams, me always say, some ever say. One thing me can do content, bro, because it's like when me da Jamaica, me da them on the ends, bro. Me can say, bro, come on, follow me, we go make 2 videos. And the dad them ready. You see me? Yesterday, as I'm telling this morning, bro, I don't have no friend yesterday, bro. I just me, myself, and I don't have no friend. I get up, jump up, do what I have to do. I don't have no friend. Everything else on me. Me alone, bro. I don't have no friend. Me, I'm a browning. That's my friend. That's only my friend. Me, I'm a browning. You know? I don't have no friend, bro. So like how father can the life, you see father have 2 dogs in that chat. I wish me have 1 dog, I could have chat to sometime. Sometimes me and brother want me then I talk to. I watch show up on Prime till I'm tired. I watch show up on Netflix till I'm tired. They can't tell me no show me no watch. I watch series till I'm weak. Everything I watch. I just lock up in a row, TV and bill. And think, oh, if you get a way out, bro. Yeah, me browning. Who know what browning or browning? And just watch TV, bro, and them something like that. And just think like I can't think about the next 2 years what me I go do, bro. Think about the next 3 years what me I go do. Think about the next 5 years what me I go, if me I go still be this person, bro. You see me? There's more out of life in a dog what I really want in a chat. There's a lot of things out of life I really want, bro, like. And that's why I see, dog, sometimes when I see things go on, me there and hold the faith. I just don't want to get jaw out, bro. I don't want to get jaw out in a certain things, bro. I have a lot of promises I make to my mother when I want she get. You see me? My mother get some things and I tell her, say, mommy, I'm me gonna make her get it, bro. So me have them goals if you work on, bro. I have some goals I have to reach. Happy, bro. And that's why my every father God just put me right as of the day, bro. Like, a lot of people ask, bro, why you gonna live in Panama City? I just feel like God put me right as a bro for walk me eye, bro, and just make me work harder, bro. My friend right as I'm that lazy. Because my friend there, I don't want to go live. Because I can't go sit down and hold a reasoning. I can't go my bone one spliff. Can't go out there, so. I might go look on 2 women and them something there, bro. Even woman me look on, bro, I'm just there normal, bro. Just chill, just build, lock off from everything. So I go to Jamaica, I enjoy myself. I don't sleep when I'm there yard. Party to party, bro, I enjoy myself. When I go to Jamaica, I enjoy myself. Party to party. When you hardly see me come live when I'm there yard. You never see me there yard and they live whole time. I'm going to tell you, since the live fest make that happen. If I never live fest, you would see me live. I'm going to yard, bro. I'm going to enjoy myself, bro. Once I reach Jamaica, at the only place me fly go and sleep. I never go to Jamaica and sleep on a plane. Everywhere else me I go to sleep. Once me I go to Jamaica, all me I try to sleep. I can't sleep. Because two me happy so me I go to Jamaica. I can't sleep. I'm there on a plane I go to yard, bro. Can't. Alright, bro, you say, I'm gonna tell you, bro. I'm gonna tell you, bro. you guys, I think you guys got a respect. I mean, don't see one comment. You don't say, yo, we people that make money, I will not invest none. You guys rather people come on live and talk with them, do. It's not good. If you invest in a one door and you come on live and talk, the first thing when you say, bro, what hype? Oh, you may have to come on live, come talk about door. If you want to see a man as a man when I invest, so slow the man, bro. Learn to take people business out of the mind and focus on yourself. We don't know what people are doing back of the phone. Just like only things say, we as creators have feelings and we have creators that have a real life to live. We just get up on the field and say that if you see we jump up on life, when you expect say when you see we in a real life and jump same way so. We have a real life, bro. We have a real life, bro. And everything ever come on internet, because the first thing is to come on internet, bro. Right now, I may have 3 hours, no can know. You never just see me as this maga boy. I mean, and them video, them watch motivation video. You don't see me right to say in the apartment, you have had 5 hours, 5 apartments and nobody can know. I just see them right to say me like nothing. Because what is there to hype, but what is there? Me go drop out one day, no? One day must come and me drop out. Everything where you own in life is not your own. It's for the earth. And your family, them after you. There's nothing there to hype, but all we have to do is just live a life and enjoy yourself. And the only thing that me know. There's no hope on this earth you own. Nothing, because your time will come. Nothing, you're not going nowhere though. So you want to buy one house, bro, and feel sorry right at your house. You buy your house and enjoy yourself and know, say, yo, you're a certain age, bro, you buy your house, bro, your mother move out and get her, you live a piece of life. You live a piece of life and give her thanks. If you want hype to your hype, I hear money, bro. You hear money, I hear a place, you hype, bro. Sometimes some people have to hype about them things because nobody never believes in them. So when you see people that live their life and hype, you know, love them, bro. Love them, make the people them live, love them. Lord them, bro. I never believe in my people, them, bro. All of people never believe in me. I know since me there with me there, a lot of people show me like them believe in me and me just laugh because I know the game. And that's how life go, bro. No one ever believe in you till they start the good, till they start the great. I just saw the world stay. I saw everybody stay if you just know that, bro. I saw the world stay for real. And so the world stay for real. Yeah, people cherish vanity. They might cherish vanity because a lot of people never used to certain things, bro. A man buy a car right now, the man glad. They can't vex him if he want jump up on him car. My first man for own a car in my family. And I have to look on the whole of them things, guys. Look on them something. When I pre them something, they just run go pre say hype, dog, hype. And I hype, bro. A man never own a car in his life yet and he go own a car now. And feel like he want to spin it and do what he want to do. Lord, make him spin it. I just say the world, go dog. But guys, me have some big plans, bro. Remember me young, remember me at 19, you know, bro. Remember me at 19, bro. Me have whole more things to do. Remember me at 19, guys. All the time I move fast. I'm 19, bro. I achieve a lot of things in my teen. You see me? I'm just 19. I have a lot of things. I have a lot of things when I achieve, and I'm grateful. And you see, Uno, this is Uno, dog. You see what I'm glad for, bro. When I'm glad for that, I want to thank God for, bro. When I thank God for, He made me build one community and a team. My team, that's my love on you, bro. My team, that's my love, bro. I love my team. Bro. Different from my mother and my brother. And then next side, I'm people I love. And I'm a family, bro. That's why I see how somebody goes to boom and jigsaw power, bro. You don't see it hurt me, dog. If you don't hurt me, it hurt me. Because the love of me have for you, bro. I love you, bro. You know why? When you stand up with me, with bashing, with winning. Enough switch up and enough there with me, bro. I have to understand the game. If I apple I sell, If man gonna sell, I saw it go. You see me? People get corrupt and go in a people ears and tell people, so watch out. boy Swissley this and the boy Swissley that, and people follow and do what them have to do, bro. Which we can't control that. But me love on bro. You see everybody what they are so with me. Me love on brother. Right now if TikTok go, bro, I don't know me that miss. The fun, like my family, bro. Like how me usually turn on my life and see my family, I can laugh and run some joke and this and that, bro. If TikTok forgot that I part with that hurt me the most. If you know, so you make me someone me can't even go get back contact to. Me can't even talk to one again. The band with that mash up, bro. I even just know so your boy Swissley that you know when TikTok he did them usually support him. And them they usually good. I now stop yourself now, guys. You now stop yourself, bro. I get bigger and bigger. I think a joke. I get bigger and bigger, guys. Just trust me, guys. Me don't stop talk and just start the action. I get bigger and bigger. I'm YouTube. I'll be YouTube. You have all a million subscribers and them things. Now, so me I pray. And so me I pray. So lift up from Panama, man. You know, I just trust in the boy and believe in the boy. The boy don't eat that, you know. I'm supposed to know me and I eat that, bro. Sometimes I just laugh and play the fool. You know the boy and I eat that. Trust me, team. You know the boy active. You know yourself, bro. And just believe in me, bro. Greatest thing, guys, me have my computer, them see me. So when me lift up from right or something, me have my computer, them see me, I can do kick. And do what I want to do. And on my platform, them see me. I think my kick followers are 13K. And my Twitch followers are 14K. In a 3 day, we'll get them followers, you know. For 3 days. Sure, so no love me, brother. One at 12K, one at 13K. Twitch? No. I'm a YouTuber, almost 20K subscriber. Rebel have some plan to, bro. So Rebel dog, I'm good girl. I'm a G, that youth. I'm a G, but sometimes she just mad. I never just understand, say, she's a mad girl sometimes, but Rebel, I'm a G. A girl that open up my eye, the whole heap of things, bro. I follow that girl that sometimes I don't go wrong. She never say what's up yet, bro. I choose my stubborn, bro. I'm gonna say it to me, I'm gonna just take it, bro. And take accountability. I'm stubborn, bro. I like when people tell me what to do. I just feel like you tell me, yeah, tell me like, me a boy, bro. I'm stubborn for real. And sometimes I have to listen. I ain't too old for listen, but sometimes I'm stubborn. I not take talk. You see me? Boy, book sometime, boy, book, me leave you have time for you answer your comment in a book. Big man, me sorry. Leave you have time for you answer your comment book. I mean, if you're a man or you're a woman, because you got address a man and say dirty Swiss or you're a man. Not time for your book. But when I say, guys, Rebel I'm a G, man, Rebel. Rate World Dog too. I said, me never disrespect the dog. I rate the dog. If you just understand him and him just understand me. I'm a dog, bro. As much as I see dog, sometimes him see the internet turn for me, him call me and talk about it. So I say, you know, people really love you, bro. Sometimes dog say the internet I go on straight away, dog call me and say, yo. So I tell you, no, you're doing a Swiss. You listen to me now. You're a dog to me, I'm general. I'm a dog. I'm a dog for real. I'm a rebel. I'm a dog them. For real. No, look a joke. Swiss, fix your glass. John, no, guys, I show the lens, you know. I show the lens. I love one of my team for real, dog. I love team this, bro. And the best thing God ever do for me TikTok, bro. Best thing. You know what I mean? I talk for me. Best thing, bro. God ever do for me on TikTok. TikTok teach you a whole heap of things in a youth. We don't mind if you see the money part of TikTok, but TikTok teach you how to deal with people. TikTok show you how you can do the right side do good and trouble still follow you. You can do the right side avoid everything and trouble still follow you. The whole of them things is a learning lesson, bro. TikTok teach you a whole heap, bro. TikTok shows you to the people you love you and tomorrow they hate you. I ain't have to hurt nobody. I ain't have to touch nobody. All of them things there, bro. Me take them something that's a learning lesson, bro. And what if me take them and say, oh, Jano, Ray. Me take them as a learning lesson. Me take them to build myself and know, so alright, if me go do that platform, I know how to go to that platform. I know how to adjust to that platform. It teach me a whole heap of things. So, not all when I see guys, when I say I'm to me on this internet, I hungry make me get stronger, bro. I walk me eye and show me, say, bro, it's the one say I win. And once you are the great, the devil will always try to follow you or tarnish you. But always remember, only you can make the devil win. Only you can only tarnish yourself, bro. Word can't tarnish you unless you're weak. Always know that. Word can't tarnish you unless you're weak, bro. I remember me always telling you, bro, people when I know you, bro, we just commenting on things cannot hurt you, bro. When I know you're from Adams, or comment for hurt you. People are gonna always come and people are gonna always start, bro. Comment can't hurt you, bro. Never make people who want type things. They don't even know who the back of the phone, bro. Only person can hurt your family, them. If you ever hear some ratty things your family might be said about your youth, at them time they drop down. If you ever hear something your father God reveal some people who believe in and love and trust. Reveal and say them people that hurt you, bro. People not close me can't hurt me, bro. Trust me, team. Can't. Worse me don't know you. Can't hurt me. Worse. Not always say can't hurt me, bro. Come in and know you. You gotta talk as you want to talk. And that's what the internet is here for. Either you go comment or you go live. Either you go see a video or scroll past. So you have to pick one which one you gotta do. Yeah, brother. Just humble, bro. Just humble, dog. Always humble, always pray. Always have a good mindset, no matter what. Don't make no change, bro. Don't make people change from the person where you be. If you become a demon or become a devil, I become somebody who heartless, bro. Don't make nobody change, bro. Stay humble, believe in yourself, focus for your craft, focus on what you do. Make success talk on them something there, bro. Make them think they win. Time people are fighting, bro, make them think they win. Just make success talk and them something there, bro. Eventually, them will come back to you one day. Tell me, dog. So you think, man? Hold on, I'm on TikTok. Hold on, I'm on TikTok. About 2 years now. About 2 years now. About 2 years, what do you mean? Bro, about 2 years, bro. Alright. Let me tell you now. Me start the TikTok, alright. Me start the TikTok from, like, what do you mean? No, like, dead, like, no. Bro, I'm gonna tell you when I take since I come far, I take TikTok serious. When I there at Jamaica in a 2022, me usually come on TikTok. If you not gonna include that, fine. Might be said 2 years and couple of months. But if you not gonna include that at 2 years, bro, like if they on live every night and they on TikTok every day since I come on foreign. When I there at Jamaica, bro, I come on TikTok one time and come off. One time I'm get no one time. Me come on TikTok 1 and 2 times and me get number 3. 6 TV make me get number 3. That lock off him ranking and make me get number 3. And at them time I keep the back to school cheat 2022. If who support me from them time, remember them time I have 91 people are watching me now, bro. You know that. Youth. I'ma just come on TikTok, bro, as 70 people are watching me. 91, 50, 30, See me here, tap up his screen, guys. Tap up his screen. Guys, what wanna do? Tap up his screen, Get a one wheel, man. I say, join over. Wheel them. I'm gonna see this, I'm gonna say, alright. Code. Reach a foreign now. I'm gonna say, no, don't start the comedian thing, bro. Me nah give up on it. In order to get hosting, never put in work. So I say, you know, I do TikTok a foreign straight, me now come off. I'm going to boom now and start the TikTok right show. Every day I'm there on TikTok, build my team bless, come on team, power up the screen, work together, this and that, Ratted. Oh, that giant TikTok now. Go to boom and link and say, yo, TikTok, you know, over there mad, Ratted. A world like that, I see come on TikTok. First night, me and the man play 1-4-way. Then time I have a machine name that one shooter named Snow Queen and shoot. I want to shoot hard for me, man. And my father must say I play against the Able. Them time the Able, Jesus, them time the Able. Able are going to give my king, you know, man. Able say, you know him laugh. Slide my team. With the soft, man, the soft, I'm going to say, yo, John, I was going to say, boom, and start pick it up. Mad, now I start get mad, and start win match. When me look, ratted. The next day, bro, me don't know where the man go get the idea there, bro. Me don't know where the man get the idea there. Me don't see the man come out one day in a one long sleeve shirt and one cut off foot pants and one gentleman. Ratted. And one cowboy hat. And then I walk out up on the light. I say, what are you doing now? I see that walk across again the light. Walk out again. No, sir. I see that I start play too, so I see that say so I start dance up him say, boom. Me say yo, no sir. How will you find that sauce here? He say, alright. Father find us sauce. Father call me and say, yo, bro, you can start do this thing here, bro. Get your costume. Start buy a little costume, start do your little thing. I'm say, alright. Buy my costume and buy my thing. Ratted at me and him at night time, man. Then time the TikTok is nice, bro. That's when TikTok is nice. Them time the TikTok is nice. At the best time on TikTok that. At the best time on TikTok that. No time on TikTok can't get back so nice like them time there. When that just come on TikTok. Remember so the biggest video come on for TikTok, you know, bro. Hey, people wish for talk, you know, bro. And me, we're like an you know, when we do the ras, when we do this, you know. Videos not beat that video there, bro. No, bro, that video they go on Shade Room. That video they go on page will have 20 million followers. That video when we're a big fat boy name, bro, no video. Me not ask me I tell me, no video no beat that. None. When the screen record the job, bro, them tell the people I call Sham Sharp, Buster Manti, our next ratty. No video, bro, them. No video no beat that. Me not ask you, bro. That video they on Share Room on Instagram with million followers, with white people that follow. One next big page again about 30 million followers. After I show me so that you know far that video they go. Then time they will name the tree Marcus Garvey. Then time they will name the tree Musketeers. Bro, TikTok nice. Them time we all fly, go down the world like we have book Airbnb, we are run marathon. Them time the TikTok is nice, bro. TikTok never have so much mix up it. And them time the TikTok never have so. Nobody now argue like so. Nobody now argue about nobody. No man now try to bring down that man if you go. If you try to get, if you go over that man, I bring down that man if you get views. Them time the TikTok nice. People just come on TikTok for laugh and just laugh, bro. TikTok alright now. TikTok does do your thing now, bro. TikTok alright now, bro. Right now on TikTok, I mix up sell. Right now, you want views, you just do mix up or do some controversy things, bro. You get it, bro. It's simple, bro. Just do anything. Simple. You want views on TikTok, you do mix up. Just start up war with somebody. And you see your views gone up. But them time the TikTok was nice, bro. TikTok was nice, dog. All the time when we get the Airbnb and father, I would dress up like police. Father must dress up like police. Otto must dress up like police. I mean, just one of them was dressed up in a jail. Me and Otto dressed up like jail. And father dressed up like the police. Me and father was a prisoner. And father was the police. TikTok is nice, bro. Bring back guys, TikTok, alright. For TikTok get back so nice, now you want it to know on TikTok. Right now. And me can't do that part there right now. Me can't do that right now, guys. We're telling you the truth. Right now, guys, told me how to TikTok right now. If you tell them, believe it like want. Do that, bro. It better how it is right now, bro. Cause I say the unity and them something dog, man pretend in your face, bro. People pretend in your face, dog. You see me? And sometimes you open up too much people for come around here, bro, and feel like people genuine when they're not genuine. I'm gonna do anything, you know, bro. For them you want to get rise over, you know. You have to learn them something there. You have to learn them things there, bro. You will calm and rate a dog and say, watch you know, Ray. But a man will dim you. Boys when nothing now go on for somebody, bro. A man do anything that empowers to dim your career. For him rise over you. Remember me always telling you and I'm being telling you this. You see anywhere money there, corruption always there. You see if TikTok was just come on this and make joke and no money never over and nobody would care if you bring down a man. Remember me telling that. They say if TikTok was just to come over here and man have to do content, and do skit and do them thing there, he just said nobody will try for this, nobody will try bad mind this, nobody will try argue with this. But once money in it, bro, I saw TikTok go, bro. I'm telling you TikTok, right? TikTok now, I like the man in my mobile. I like the man in my mobile. DOR. Cause money involved, bro. You see me? A man not pretty say yo, dog. You know say yo. The whole of we are come from ghetto. None of them youth never have nothing. And the whole of them youth are try something out of life. No, brother. But I don't care about that, bro. A man just want to say yo. Right now, bro, I'm going to tell you about your mother, bro. I'm sitting down for your name for 7-8 days, bro. And your name will get called up, bro. And I try to get your attention. And I try to look this and I try to look this, bro. And I try to be this person, bro. You see me? Bro, remember say me never do mix up no time me had the TikTok, you know, bro. Me never do mix up yet. Bro, remember say me an evil world dog with my dog. Argue because me never butt in and not over world dog. Like if world dog and somebody fuck me never come and say, Chano dog, yo, a foolish go on with world dog do, you know? Me never do that yet. Remember that make me and the dog one time argue, bro. Cause me never like that just say, yo, bro, John was Swiss dog. To the dog just understand, say, yo, in a real life, when the dog come to Jamaica and the dog see and the mother tell him, say, yo, I saw the dog stay in a real life. Me not make nothing bother me, bro. Me not make nothing at all bother me, bro. Nothing at all, bro. Think me I'll get this, bro. Me leave a keyboard this and me get. Me even address my own situation and my people diss me up and say, yo, Swiss are this and Swiss are that. Me never click my life it and say, yo, Johnny. I think I want man never answer. And a job. And a job, bro. Think a job are the hungry dog me ever and where the dog name? King. Cause why me feel that way about King? Cause me as a king. Oh, you ever see me and cause me hate when people are and somebody jump off and you instigate it, bro. You see me? And King, me just say something to King, say, yo King, yo King. Ray, I'm saying something to King bro, and then I see the dog, I apologize to the dog and say, yo, Ray, that good bro. Lord that alone and big up King and my cut pass it, bro. Me not like say if somebody a jump off, you as a dog I go jump in, and you don't know, walk off it and instigate. Me hate a instigator worse than a man behind a gun, you know. And that's why me vex with the dog. Cause the dog, I tell the dog, say, oh, you're a real friend, you're this or you're that, or hold up on the bus or Ray. Man never ask you that. And you never involve. You don't know nothing what go on, you just start like you want to corrupt the man against me. And I see it, so I never rate that. So I never rate that, bro. I'm not answer people on the internet, dog. I love them, bro. I'm always telling you, once you do good, your name have to call. Once you do good, dog, your name have to call, bro. If nothing now go on for you, nobody now call your name. I always know that. And believe in myself, just always know that something there. Your name have to ring a bell for people really bring it down. Why the saints bring down somebody if you not get benefit from it? So I know guys, I'm waiting, more next week going. I just say it, good dog. No one stone an empty tree. Always know that. No one. Anytime I post the next picture, I that me go post. For my caption, no one stone an empty tree. I have that in a head back. The last thing me I left for do tonight. No one stone an empty tree. Alright, always a tree with a beer and a fruits. People stone. 12 minutes for bonus. I'm big up pepper sauce and big up the screen record page. But me have a screen record page on my rate, but him come like him stop do it, guys. Where my boy name where active? Where my screen record page dog name? Him tough like pepper sauce too, you know. But like no, him does you don't know what going on film. Him take a yo, that you the tough youth. Young lad have the biggest beard ever with me. Young lad rate me. And big up RS. Young lad rate me. Father, you know me rated father screen record page. Father screen record page no miss. With him. If you know me, our father that page on a post. Me rate Father, 9th Street, big up yourself. Swiss Bell, big up yourself. 9th Street, now left out father, you mad? You must be mad. 9th Street, left out father when? 9th Street is a good screen record page, you'd like it. The screen recorder them, bro. Them don't know what them do for you. When screen recording whoever invents screen record is a good thing. It make you get more popular, more people see you. Cause if something miss live, something miss TikTok, them screen record them come out, them can't watch it. You see me? Yeah. miss a babe. Somewhere, them look off his son, officer. I go on like you take man for clown, officer. Guys, police come and lock off my phone all ago. So if you come off my stream, cause we don't know how to move right. Guys, I know say me doing a rebel yard a stream, a rebel thief my charger. Me there a rebel yard a stream, a rebel thief my charger. Rebel a thief, you know. I'm a thief back for your card. But for your card with my thief now really work. No, I don't lie, man. Rebel a thief in a real life, you know. We never see rebel yet. How much money upon the life of a rebel? Rebel I want to look and find peace or something, you know, bro. Margadam, you know. What if you know so rebel I want rebel Margadam? Bro, to a rebel Marga, bro, rebel can't walk, go in a hall. When rebel get all that thing, rebel can go in a target, go thief and just carry them come give me. Be underpants and marina. And I feel like that me gonna make sure do when she come here. Cause I just a rebel. Not really now go on for it. Just go and go thief. And just make her go and go sell them back. Yeah, guys, nobody tell nobody nothing. Nobody say nothing to her, please. Okay. And then she come, do, pencil knee boy, not me, big knee. Do come off of my name. Remember up my name, sir, do. Yeah. Ooh. There. No. Everything a rebel is a rebel that. I know. I'm a G. Say, she come fix my curtain for me. Say, she come fix my curtain and him something. Would you mind she come do it for show me? She chat on her life, say, she come fix my curtain. Never that bad. Man, if you me, say, I feel like you just make all in a mess. All the costume clothes, me just make she come in here. And just make she start clean and me just sit down and watch her for his spite. She wants some ketchup on the ground and making a dirty for real. And finger the mattress up in the ceiling. I say she have like 2 pillows for your settee. You know that rebel in a foreign, bro. Look at this. We're crazy. I'm for serious, I'm going to Louis. You know what I'm say? We're crazy. We can go in a Ross and Burlington and get them 2 look nice thing and go Louis. How long was it crazy about Clark? When? Oh! When we go to boom bang bing and jack back bling, all must be mad. We don't really poppy show, so me because spend 2,000 upon fever. Have nothing wrong with me. Yeah, me know me tough. Me know me tough. That's all me can say. Me know me tough, but talk about now. And that we depend. Talk about now. You go and come and tell me about go cheap and clean. Cheap and clean. Cheap and clean. What me I do with BLRV? Come on, so crazy. What I do with BLRV? Few And I must be crazy. Why don't put on this and Japan this and go in a Daddy Sunday? Remember me little and neat. Remember me tell me say anytime she drop a foreigner I get a statement like that. Which food not taste good, which food not taste nice. Remember me tell me. Anytime she drop up here and circle one of them place and you see all Burlington and they look a nice thing them man. Ross and them place and them look a nice thing, that problem. 3 minutes guys, I play a donor. I probably remember me, yeah, that's what I said. Remember me hot girl? Oh you go, oh you come down. Remember me hot girl in real life. I don't know that too. Cute and girly. I know, bro. Chin come with the gloves. With the girl named Casey day. With the girl named Casey day. Sis me nervous. I'm a G man. Never done moment around River Dog. Dona come off live. Guys, tell Dona so I call him. Melanin have one. Yeah, alright, the dog you get her gloves to show. Alright, one woman, tease them mommy. Where the girl, Candy, what's she name? Candy, or she have the most gloves, you know? Where the girl name? Candy or Katie or... And just live in Panama. Chin just come on the live. Casey have the most gloves. Chin just joined the live. Mommy says she have one. Think about 10 gloves. Oh, I know that boy, Edward, 7.5. The boy ain't right. Him just a try add me to, you know. See, baby have one. And the boy will just a try with their number one and just a try add me. What do you want in the chat? What do you want there? My request are for mine are which one? Chill, make you drop your gloves. Your invitation off. Trust me, start like people just spam me wrong. Tell him to send it now. Tell him to send it now. Come on, team this. Obviously we can match up the bonus. I think Lulu wanna start 10 o'clock. Tell him to start it now. Them not see me, but me I see him. The bonus start, guys. Combo donut, guys. Combo donut. Combo donut chat. Me not see no donut. I don't see him for you in a chat. I'm lock off this and turn it on back. When you see him now, Candy I call me, not see Candy either. The person where they want bonus time finish now. Oh, a bonus music got this one. Oh, see Candy.